Hey guys, here today we're displaying how to replace the battery on the brand new Lexus smart remote. So first Sarah's going to demonstrate. There's a little clip right on the bottom. You need to push that clip and pull the emergency key out. Once you have the emergency key out, you're going to put that emergency key in the little slot, which is right in the hole there, and you're going to twist the emergency key. Pop, and the face pops right off. Once you get, oops. There, it's okay. Once you get the face off, now you got the circuit board. Now let's go ahead and just turn the circuit board over. And on the back of the circuit board is the battery. And as you can see, it takes a, what number does it say? 1620?
1632.
1632. You can just pop the battery right out. It's like a little, it's easier just with a little micro flathead screwdriver. And then you just put the new battery in, 1632. Battery plus side facing up. And if you turn it around, you can press the button, and if you see the little light come on, you know the battery's good. There's the light. And you just put it back in the remote, and you're all set. Button's facing forward, and the faceplate just snaps in place, and then the emergency key just slides right back in. If you need help, come visit our website. It's keylessshop.com. Or come visit any of our convenient locations at Sears. We have 15 locations across the country, and we hope to earn your business. Thanks for watching.